Hello, my name is Asil and this is my second video report for my Beta Career program. During weeks 3 and 4, I was working with SQL fundamentals like filtering, sorting, grouping, and simple joins. In practice, I worked with real database, but in this video, I will demonstrate the process of my work with synthetic demo database. And so, in the first few days, I focused on exploring the database structure. I checked what tables and columns exist, looked at the data types, and previewed the first rows. On the real database, I did the same steps to understand how to build queries, and in this video, I'm showing the same process on training dataset. Next, I practiced filtering. First, I selected customers older than 25, then timed the condition to 30 plus, and compared the results. I also used sorting by registration date to see the newest customers. I applied the same techniques on real database, but here I'm reproducing them on synthetic data, as you can see. After filtering, I moved on to aggregation. At first, I counted the number of transactions per type, and later I added totals and average amounts. On the real database, this helped me understand transaction volumes by type. The demo version gives a similar output, but is safe to share here. And then I worked on joins. At first, I just joined customers and their transactions to check the data. Next, I grouped by customer to count the transaction. Finally, I added total spending and highlighted the top 10 customers. I did the same steps on real database, but here I'm showing the same logic. And in the final step, I exported the results to Excel. This is the same type of report I shared with my mentor for review. The table includes the customer name, city, number of transactions, and total spending. So over these 2 weeks, I went through the whole cycle, from exploring the tables and running the simple fields to grouping, joining, and exporting a final report. And this is the end of my report. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.